feel like I haven't filmed in forever. Today we're going to be unbagging my April Ipsy bag. So I just got this in the mail. Let's go ahead and see what's in here. I haven't even opened it. Let's open this baby up and see what came inside this time. Oh, it looks like I got a brush in here, so that's nice. It is an angled brush. That's the first thing that came in the bag. So it is an angled brush from Fermera, number 202. So this is what the brush looks like. I enjoy getting brushes from these bags that I get. They're really nice, and if I don't use them, I always give them away. This is an angled one, which is really good to get right into the crease when you are putting on your eyeshadow. Alright, so this bag this month is super cute. I am a big fan of butterflies, so this makes me extremely happy. The back side has just a purple outline, and then the front is your butterflies, and then it has some really pretty like gold, rose gold little sides on there. So this is a really, really cute bag this month. Let's go ahead and get inside and see what we have. Alright, so the theme for this month is going to be Social Butterfly, which is appropriate with the bag that we got this month, so that's really nice. The first item I'm pulling out here is from Once Finishing Cream. It is from Note. It is a SPF of 30, and I'm assuming that this is just a SPF that you would put on after you put on other lotions and serums in the morning. I always enjoy SPF. I like to use it on my face on a daily basis. This is a good SPF of 30, so I'm pretty excited to try that out and see how this works out. I've heard a lot of good things about Note, so I'm kind of excited to give that a try and see what exactly that is. Alright, the third thing I have here is from it's a pore tightening purity pearl clay mask from Biorace. So it is a mask, it looks like. I've never received one of these kind of masks in the mail from Ipsy, so I'm really excited to see what this does. It looks like it is going to be something that you put on your face, like a a mask that you put on your face. Let's go ahead and open it. That you would put on and let it sit, and then maybe hopefully peel it off, or I don't know how they would do this. So it does have a little cover in there. Let's see what this looks like. It's a clay mask. Ooh, and it has a very strong smell. So yeah, this is going to be one that dries out your face. So if you have dry skin and you get this, you probably won't like it. But for me, since I do have oily skin, I will try this out and see how it works in my T-zone area. Most likely that's the only area that I'll put it in, which is where my pores are kind of enlarged because of my oily skin, so we'll see how that works. The fourth thing I have in here is a soft matte lip cream from NYX. This is in the color SML C17. So it doesn't have the color on it, but it is a pretty color. It looks like a very, summery type of color. I'll definitely get some good use out of these. I like these lip creams. A lot of people don't like them because they feel like they're drying, but I don't mind these soft matte lip creams. I think they work really well, and I like to keep them on my purse and just, apply them as needed throughout the day, so I don't mind those at all. Those are actually really nice for me. All right, and the last thing I have is a Steve Laurent. Oh, it's a blush. So it looks like this. It did come in a little box like that. Let's see what color this is. Ooh, that's a pretty color. So it's just a blush. I have plenty of blushes, so this one will probably land up in one of my giveaways, but that is a really pretty color. I do believe I have this color in one of my other blush containers that I have. So this will be a really pretty blush for one of you guys to give a try and see if you like it. I'm blushing. That's the color. That's actually a really pretty case too. So that was everything I got. My April Ipsy bag. I think that this bag was a nice bag this month. There's a lot of things that I do want to give a try, and then one or two things that I'm going to just go ahead and put in the giveaway for you guys to give a try. So I'm pretty pleased with it. I really enjoy this bag this month. I think it's super summery. I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you're not familiar with Ipsy, it is a $10 a month subscription that you get about 5 different products to try out for the month. If you want, you can go ahead and use a link down below to subscribe to Ipsy. It is an affiliate link, so I do get points or some kind of credit if you use that link. If not, you can just go right onto their website and go ahead and subscribe to Ipsy if you're interested in getting a monthly subscription box. So I shall talk to you guys sometime within the week. I hope you guys have a great afternoon, and I'll see you later. Bye-bye.